So hello friends, let's start with the tutorials. In this tutorial, we will go through the Java concept. Most important question that every Java interview asks is about the static, be it variable, method, or a class. So let's go for static. Now what is a static variable? What static variable does is it associate and copy of that variable to the class, not any object of class. It's bound with the class. So whenever you try to retrieve it using object, it's not good. You should always use an a class to retrieve a static variable. Now let's go to the example. So in here we can see static int a equal to 1. Now whenever we want to access that a in our main method, what we have to do is a class name, that is static demo, and dot a variable. So when we does this command, it will increment the value of a to 2. So now the value of a will be 2. So significance of static variable is in case of counter. So we want to have number of views, a number, how many times this class was visited. We will use a static variable. So all the instances will have same object, and that is a beneficial of it. Now another thing is a static method. It is the same as a static variable in the context that it is not associated with any object. So whenever we want to access this method, we have to get directly class and then dot a method name. For example, here in static demo.getA, it will call a static method directly, no need of any object of class. Now another important thing about static is a static initializer. So this is a block, it will get initialized when the class is first time loaded in the memory, even before a main method is called. So for our example, whenever we try to run a main method, it will go execute the static block first and then it will do a rest of the proceeding. So it is used to initialize mostly static variables and things which we want to do in a first hand before going to the actual execution of program. So that's all we have for static variable. We will have more tutorials in future. Thank you.